Did you ever travel to a place you never knew and all they spoke was Luo? Here's a tutorial. Oh my
Tony!
David!
Come!
Come here!
Quickly!
Now!
Quickly!
No.
Forget about the second. Something is happening. You have to come over. It's an emergency.
Wait. You need to turn off the TV.
Can you get the volume of the TV to 0, please?
Were you pooping?
Put the volume of the TV to 0.
Do you need to use the bathroom?
No.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Quickly. All right, thank you.
Do you ever wonder if you travel to, no. Have you ever traveled to a country where they only spoke Luo? Here's a video. Do you ever imagine to travel to a country where they only speak Luo? Do you ever want to travel to a Luo-speaking country? Traveling to a Luo-speaking country comes with its struggles, such as speaking Luo. Here's some phrases and words you can use when you travel to that country. No.
You're just stuck on the country. Use something else.
Traveling to a rural town that speaks Luo as its main language is a struggle. Oh my god, brainstorming hurts my brain. Yeah. Oh my god, 96, 98.
Anza tu na kusema. Hello viewers, here is your Luo language travel companion.
That's boring.
Alright, look for a snack. And then we're 7 p.m.
Something. Here's a video to make sure you can speak Luo in any traveling related situation.
Alright. Something. Here is Luo.
No. So like, let's say, hello viewers, my name. No. Here is a video that helps you. And what did I just say? Here is a video that...
Sema too. In this video, we shall explore some traveling, whatever.
We shall explore some traveling, whatever. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright. Hello viewers, welcome. Oh my god.
Alright, let's go.
Hello viewers, my name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Here is a video that explores traveling, whatever. Woo!
So unaniweka niache niseme hata jina yangu shwari.
Oh my god. Okay.
On haraka, the sun is setting.
Okay. Hello viewers, my name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Here's a video that explores traveling phrases that you can use.
Thank you. Welcome and please enjoy.